the type of loan that you decided to get, that mortgage company lender has basically signed off as a seal of approval saying that you met all the requirements in order for them to issue you this loan and for you to move forward with closing. So at that time, when we get the clear to close, at that point, 9to5it springs into action, and we basically make sure that all invoices have been collected, all termite letters have been collected, all depositors have been collected. We're the ones chasing behind all the paperwork, and we're the ones in between the contract with all of the other moving parts that's going on behind the scenes. So this service is also available to those that are for sale by owners that want to sell their own property but just may not want to pay that 6% fee. We are licensed realtors. We are nationwide, so we'll be able to assist you with that. Also, the same thing with the builders. If you decide you don't want to use a realtor, or if you decide you may want to do an extension for your realtor and have us handle all of your contracts to close as well. And the same thing with wholesalers, the list goes on. So that's what we do at 9to5it Transaction Coordinator. So what we're going to offer too is we're going to have this guide in a little bit more detail. In this guide, we're going to provide this guide to you in a little bit more detail, and it's going to break everything down from start to finish in a little bit more detail. So for those people that are watching this webinar, it will be available to you for a fee at a download, but the code that you're going to have to provide is going to be start to flip, the way it is, start with the number 2 and flip. And that code will expire the 5th of November. So that's my time. My name is Sandra Stinson, DJ MV and Caesar. Thank you again for allowing me this opportunity. And I want to always be a source of information if anyone needs me. Again, this is my contact information within this link, and I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.